Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Kisho inu holders. Kisho inu holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now. Hope you have a good day today. Guys, in this video I'm talking about the Kisho inu latest price prediction. In absolutely Kisho inu are going at the lows from a long time. So what should we do at this time, guys? Anyways, now guys, you can see here if we talk about the changes of a Kisho inu, so completely going at the loss. The last 1 week, the last 1 day changes is negative. Only guys, the last 60-minute update is positive. Oh my god. And you can see here guys that the price of Kisho inu is still very low. Kisho inu is a low price coin in the market. That's why I'm loving Kisho inu. Anyways, the changes is completely negative. You already know. Let me show you the price chart of Kisho inu. Oh my god. I'm very shocked to see this false. That is completely false, guys. Completely Kisho inu from the last 30 days. Kisho inu is in the false. But you know what, guys? As I told you in my every videos, that after false, there is a jump. I know, guys. Now they are in the false mode, but possibilities, guys. I'm not sure that in the next month, only and only pump softwere and the Kisho inu. Possibilities, I'm not sure, guys. Other side, if we talk about the changes of a Kisho inu, so negative 50.76% changes in 0.0001 USD dollar. That is the highest price of a Kisho inu in the market. So guys, now they are completely in the lows, so the price becomes low more and more. And I think that is a good time to buy Kisho inu because the price becomes more low and low. And I'm sure absolutely Kisho inu have to jump. So wait for the jump. Absolutely, when the stars jump, so they will give you huge profit. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and update videos about Kisho inu.